3 times.
Quite a mountain range, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? All those things can have snow on them. Interesting view, isn't it? We're going away to Queenstown. It's spooky, isn't it? Flying so close to
Yeah. And the level of the mountains.
Yeah. Well, it's because of the tall enough, does it, from this perspective? Good sound, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Plane.
Yeah. You have to get more passengers. From memory, the weather wasn't very, very good. We didn't get good views.
I think it's 90% of the time, I think that's what the weather is like down there.
Well, it's very hard to get into Milford. We tried on a couple of other occasions when we were in New Zealand, and we were driving and we couldn't get in because the roads were closed with too much snow.
It's an interesting road down there. I drove the camper van into Milford.
Yeah.
And when I got to the tunnel, there's one or two tunnels,
Yeah.
and when I got to the tunnel, I couldn't find the lights on the camper van. I was like, where are the lights? You know how they're in slightly different spots on different vehicles.
Yeah.
And I drove the whole tunnel without any lights.
Oh, goodness. Well, we never ever made it by road. So, we were determined that time to
think it was a traffic light. I think it was like a one-way tunnel, you know, with traffic lights,
Yeah.
and maybe the whole section of road was, and then you had that windy section.
Well, we got down close to that, but then they closed the road off. They said it was impossible.
Yeah.
They had trains on too, driving in the snow, which is a bit awesome, if you haven't done that before.
Mm. See it?
Yeah. See it on the rock, I think. Off it goes.
Looks like the weather's coming here and the lighting's pretty low.
Yeah. Waterfall.
Mm. Wonderful.
Quite pretty, isn't it?
Mm.
Yesterday.
Call that a runway?
Oh, that's what they like, isn't it? They were saying we might not be able to get out, not fly out, because of the weather.
Yeah.
And I said, oh, I said, we've got a football match we've got to attend to on Sunday afternoon. And by the looks of things, this is when we're taking the trip back home.
I think so.
And it flew around and he said, well, I'll show you what you must see, you know, the hanging lake.
Mm.
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, that's a big fall.
It is.
Isn't it amazing how a pocket of water just sits right up there on the top of the mountain?
Well, it's obviously got the right sort of
It's
structure that,
Yeah.
you know, it's only draining in one spot.
yeah.
We certainly feel us around to show us the, you know, terrain that we've missed on the day before. I didn't think it was that bad when we flew in.
Yeah, we tried to do a helicopter joyride up to one of the glaciers, and we got there to check in, and they said no, there's no chance. The weather's too bad up there. The weather was.
Do they still do the flight up to Mount Cook and land on the
I don't know.
snow?
I
You know?
don't know. The one we were trying to do was, it might have been Friends Joseph, maybe.
Yeah.
But it was just a
Yeah,
helicopter.
well, we made the football match on the Sunday afternoon.
But the weather's improved.
It did, yeah, it was lovely night. But this was the 6th. Really.
Lots of crowd on the sidelines.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's not happy.
Oh, tackle him. I think that said 15-13. No? 15-16. I think I lost by one. Although, it was a little quick.
Well,
Could do with more than a fraction of a second.